propose that Oumuamua was discovered when it was at a distance of 2 astronomical units from the Sun, and that our final observation of it was when it was at a distance of 10 astronomical units from the Sun. How would the force of gravity between Oumuamua and the Sun compare between these observations? Question mark. We have, all right, so what I'm gonna do is, like, I thought, well, the first observation has the bigger gravitational force, so I'm gonna put the first observation on top. F sub 1 and F sub 2, that stands for the, the force of gravity at the first observation and the force of gravity at the second observation, and I decided to put I like the bigger one to be on top. It makes things easier, and since we're closer to the Sun on the first observation, that's why I put the F1 on top. Now we know from Newton's universal law of gravitation that the gravitational force between two bodies is equal to the gravitational constant, which is denoted by big G, times the mass of the two bodies. So little m would be the mass of Oumuamua, big M is the mass of the Sun, and divided by the distance between the centers of the bodies. So we'll let that be little r in the first case. Now the downstairs, for the force in the second observation, everything's the same except that the distance is 5 times as great. Now, why do you think we use r for distance? I guess it's because, like, radius for circle, like, or sphere, and like forces are like, well, a sphere is just a nice way to deal with things, and so that's spheres occur in nature. I think that's sort of obvious, but that's, I think, why I use r for distance. It's like for radius. Anyway, this simplifies to 25. So, like, we could say that the force of gravity during the first observation is 25 times that during the second observation. If you have any questions, put your questions in comments to this video and I shall respond. Please subscribe to my channel so I can continue to make videos and make them of better quality. And if you subscribe, then I can get money from advertisers. I only have 2 subscribers, and one of them is my mom, so please subscribe. All right, thanks guys.